When I open the control housing, this ball which goes here this way in this hole, and it was loose and it's broken. It was lying in the timing chain housing, and look at the timing chain. And the timing chain is not on the sprocket. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man. I hope the valve and piston they are okay. New timing chain and the sprockets.